Hi, I'm Shawn Jaques, TestOp's Director of Product Marketing. I've been working in software and SaaS businesses for the last 20 years in roles like product management, strategy, and product marketing. I've been at companies like TestOp, GitHub, IBM, and BMC Software. So I'm excited to be hosting a session at the Agile Testing Alliance's Global Testing Retreat. The topic is, it's time to rethink test ops. So you probably already have a definition of test ops in your mind. You're wondering, well, why do I need to rethink this? The big challenge with testing is as you grow or add more people to your team, a lot of times, especially in agile teams, they're of different roles or different skill sets. So you might have people who are subject matter experts in testing, but you might also have people like product owners who don't really spend a lot of time in the testing tool, and they need to be able to add to the quality initiative as well. You also have more tests being created all the time. As web applications gain in importance and as they become the face of the organization, you need to have more of the scenarios covered. You also keep adding more functionality more frequently, and therefore you need to make sure you're covering that quickly before you release. And lastly, you are releasing faster. There's no question that everybody's trying to release as fast as they can with continual releases. And so the combination of these three things mean that you really need to be efficient on your test operations. The new test op, or testing operations as we refer to it in the longhand, is really the discipline of managing and scaling your automation so you can maximize efficiency, delivery speed, and application quality. And there are four core tenets, or pillars, if you will. First is planning. So this is making sure that your whole team is involved in the planning. We'll talk about that in some detail. Next, we'll talk about management. How do you organize and manage your team and your tests? This could include assigning ownership or how you organize things with folders or in using labels or structure. And then next is control. How do you make sure that your tests have the same level of quality that your code does? So enforcing things that we've learned from the coding process at GitHub, things like pull requests and code reviews, how do those fit into a test process? And then lastly, how do we continuously improve by gaining more and more insights? Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick primer, but again, it's just a promo. So you'll have to join me at the Agile Testing Alliance's Global Testing Retreat if you want to hear the full story. For now, bye-bye.